Why should we, this court again send back? Why another litigation for that? So there should be an order now with
Family court
Yes,
had
madam.
granted visitation over the child to the father on every weekend from
Only difficulty is because he is in 9th standard, there are some tuitions and extra classes over the weekend. The child is even ready to go to the house of the father. That is also expressed by the child himself. Only difficulty is he is not interested in spending overnight, my lord. That is all as of now. Maybe in future the child will be ready, my lord.
Why should we, this court again send back? Why another litigation for that? So there should be an order now with
family court
Yes,
had
madam.
granted visitation over the child to the father on every weekend from was
You
given.
have no obligation to take care of
But
it.
we will pay the we will pay the amount.
Okay,
We will
don't-
pay the
those
amount.
kind
But
of- those
let
kind
them
of
let them
technical,
my submission is let them file necessary application before the family court. Let family court
How
decide on
many
it.
orders should be passed?
But
Lord, in the last date of visitation, there was a development, my lord. The parties have initiated talks towards settlement in the best interest of the minor child.
there were no talks between the parties.
There was, my lord, there was. Otherwise, I wouldn't have made
My
this
party is
submission at
before
all.
the my party is also
Then
before
I will
the court.
instruct my petitioner also, the petitioner wife, not
There
to,
are no talks between
there
the
was
parties.
definitely talks.
So no, what you will instruct your petitioner wife?
There was instructions, specific instructions from the petitioner wife, my lord, that the child has initiated talks in his best interest. The child is already 14 years and he's in 9th standard. So
No, please can't tell the court what is that, what is, terms of settlement that your client wants is here.
there was an interim order, my lord, modified interim order. Visitation is being exercised every week between 10:30 to 1:30 every Saturday, my lord. So last time also I made a submission that on these lines, the petition can be disposed of. My learned friend was not in favor of it. So they went back on Saturday. There was a visitation,
What
my
has
lord.
happened to the visitation on the last occasion?
But family court has granted the.
I'm saying, what is your client's instruction?
But
How the visitation has went on?
But it was good. But the petitioner has tutored the child to the effect that he had come to the father and he had informed him to withdraw this withdraw the GNWC petition, which is adjudication before the family court.
But that is a negotiation.
That was
That
negotiation.
is not true, my lord. Now we are before this
Child is
court
talking about
only
the court
in,
cases.
we do not want any overnight custody, my lord. Visitation continuously is being exercised. Only to that extent we want it, my lord. Overnight custody is not we want it. And the child only has initiated talks, my lord. Last time also I had made a submission that on the lines.
Talks not about withdrawing the GNWC.
No, my lord. Withdrawing and all, how can it be withdrawn here, my lord? We have to go back to the family court.
Here, wherever it is, the negotiation is asking the father to withdraw.
That is not true, my lord. That is not true.
What do you say? Why should we keep it pending here?
But let this petition be disposed of. Matter may kindly be
Let this-
remitted
let
back to
whatever
the
that's
family
what-
court. My
no,
lord.
no,
Let the
whatever is
family
the
court
interim-
decide.
No, whatever is the interim order, that will make it,
No, my lord,
pending
that
disposal.
can't be, my lord. For the
Then in
simple,
that case, why would it go to the family court now?
my lord, matter is
Family
still
court
pending.
will decide about the final,
Please.
about the GNWC.
Please.
So this is an interim arrangement made. No, why should we, this court again send back? Why another litigation for that? So there should be an order now with.
Family court
Yes,
had
madam.
granted visitation over the child to the father on every weekend from Saturday till Sunday, my lord, against which they had approached this honorable court. But since, my lord,
The boy is the boy inclined to meet the father between that time?
please, my lord, he was meeting.
It's a boy.
Please, my lord. he's
What
a-
is your difficulty for not?
My lord, the child is comfortable with the father as of now, my lord. I'm sorry, I'm not well, my lord. The child is comfortable with the father. He is meeting every Saturday, 10:30 to 1:30. They are spending time, my lord. Only difficulty is because he is in 9th standard, there are some tuitions and extra classes over the weekend. The child is even ready to go to the house of the father. That is also expressed by the child himself. Only difficulty is he is not interested in spending overnight, my lord. That is all as of now. Maybe in future the child will be ready, my lord. All these years the child was not ready to meet the father. Now they are very comfortable. From 2023, the father is here. 2023 till date, even last Saturday also, they have even had talks that day after tomorrow, Saturday, the child will be visiting the father in his house also, my lord. That instructions also I have got.
Come to the improvement order. Where do the respondents stay and what is the distance between both the houses?
They are very close by, my lord, less than a
They are
kilometer,
close by,
very
my lord.
close by.
There is no problem.
The child can go by himself also.
On Saturday and Sunday, if he has any other classes, even when he is with the father also.
He will
can
take, he will
attend.
take on
Take.
the, please, my lord, he will take care. He
My
will
lord,
take
my
care of all
only
those things.
submission is no orders may be passed, my lord, because after all these years, according to me, that there is some movement for say settlement, my lord. If it is amicably settled, then there will be end of all litigations,
Where
my
is
lord.
that? That where is the-
22, my lord, page number 22 is the order of the family court, my lord, which is,
Agreed to the orders passed in IN number 2 in GNWC number 39 of 2021 dated 12/11/2022.
yes,
Please,
2021.
not only
my
that
lord.
order, my lord, but the petitioner did not comply the order passed by the Honorable Family Court, against which, my lord, a contempt application was moved by the
My lord,
father.
my
concern,
submission
I'm not
also may be
concerned with
noted.
that.
I am
The-
not making any submissions towards non-payment of the maintenance, my lord. Because petitioner
Whereby
has,
the court had granted visitation to the father and the father was permitted to exercise the visitation on second Saturday and fourth Saturday at 10 a.m. at the mother's place. And the father is permitted to have, where is the overnight custody?
it is there, my
Is
lord.
there,
Kindly come
last
to page
paragraph,
number.
my lord, of page number 22, last paragraph. The respondent shall hand over the child on second and fourth Saturday at 10 a.m. at her residence, and in turn, the petitioner shall return the child on both the Sundays.
Somehow it doesn't make any sense.
No, but Saturday 10 a.m. the mother has to give the custody to the father.
No,
Then
but
father
come
will
to-
drop the child at 6 p.m. on the next Sunday, my lord. That is the order.
Overnight, my lord,
One
Saturday
minute,
and
one
Sunday.
minute, 1 minute. You read page number 22. First it says,
Please, my lord.
the father shall exercise the visitation right of his son on second and fourth Saturday with following Sundays between 10 a.m. 10 a.m.
Please, ma'am.
Saturday to 6 p.m. on Sunday. That's fine.
Please,
Then bottom, the respondent shall hand over the child.
please, my lord. On every second and fourth Saturday.
Struck that off. Strike everything. The present petition is filed. Agreed with the orders passed in IN number 2 in JNWC number 39 of 2021 dated 12/11/2020. Whereby the court had granted overnight custody to the father on second and fourth Saturday to the Sunday. That is between 10 a.m. of Saturday to 6 p.m. of Sunday. The mother is before this court. When counsel appearing for the mother submits that the mother has no difficulty, and the mother and the child, both of them have no difficulty to meet the father. And in fact, earlier the child was reluctant to meet the father. Now he is going to the father, but on Saturdays and Sundays he has some classes and other activities. The boy is not comfortable for an overnight stay. As per the order passed by this court, he is exercising the visitation between 10:30 and 1:30
Please,
on a Saturday
please.
and Sunday also.
No, my lord, only
On
on
a
Saturday.
Saturday between 10:30 and 1:30, and that visitation is going on, and the boy is comfortable. Land council submits that the same arrangement shall continue, and if and the matter may be disposed of the trial and all, and with that direction, making the interim order absolute, the matter may be disposed of. Next para. Land counsel appearing for the respondent, and no, the petitioner submits that there is a likelihood of settlement. In fact, the minor himself has initiated the negotiation. Next para. Land counsel appearing for the respondent further submits that even submits that the boy is comfortable. Even the contention of the land counsel for the mother supports the case of the father. It is submitted that now the boy is aged 14 years and there cannot be any difficulty to the mother to give the overnight custody. And both the father and the mother are residing close by. Even if the boy has any other classes or any other activities, the boy can go, and if necessary, the father will take him. It is submitted that the court, considering all the aspects, had rightly granted overnight custody to the father, and no interference is called for. Next for Hanga, the counsels on either side, peruse the material on record. the reasons that are stated by the land council for the mother, why the overnight custody is not permissible, is one, that the boy has activities, and for the overnight custody, the boy and the mother are not comfortable. Without stating any reason, just saying that the mother and the son are not comfortable for overnight custody cannot be a ground for this court to consider the said request. Both the parties are staying nearby, and it is stated that the boy goes on his own. If there are any activities to the boy, the father is ready to support him on the weekends. In that case, the mother and the child cannot, that objection, that not comfortable, cannot be considered. And in the considered opinion of this court, the family court had rightly passed an order and requires no interference from this court, accordingly dismissed.
Gentlemen, 42.
My lord, I had two more submissions, my lord. This order of the family court was an ad interim order. We were not heard, my lord. And also there is about 3 lakhs of maintenance to be paid, my lord. Since 23, they have not paid any
That's
amount.
what I've already indicated to all of, if something, one order father is having for visitation, the other order for maintenance if he is not paying, file an application before the court under 151, court will take care of
Please.
it. Say that the proceedings.
My
will
lord,
be
that the
stalled.
interim order was granted only on an undertaking given by the respondent that he will pay regularly rupees 10,000, my lord. That has not been made.
Give that order.
My lord, the only reason why I did not argue, yes, my
Let me
lord,
look at
my
it.
lord,
Where is
my
that
submission,
order?
my lord, I'm sorry, my lord, my submission is, I did not want any order to be passed because there was some settlement, my lord, otherwise I wouldn't
Not
have,
go into all that.
otherwise I
Please
would
tell
have,
the court, where is the 10,000 in this order?
yes, my lord, yes.
Please come to that page number.
If your lordships can peruse the memo of documents which is furnished by my learned
No,
friend.
first of all, come to the order. Where is that
My
mention
lord, kindly
about?
come to page
No
number
order is passed
18.
in the present case. No order is
Kindly
passed in the
come to
GND.
page number 18, my lord. 18 of the writ petition.
Hmm.
There is an order on 26/10/2021 to file
26?
memo of undertaking to pay maintenance to the respondent by 27/10/2021 at 3 p.m. The next page, my lord, petitioner is present. Filed memo undertaking to pay rupees 10,000 per month as per the court order. There was an order, my lord, to pay 10,000, which was confirmed by this honorable court in the MC petition also. So continuously he had to pay rupees 10,000, which was not paid. What the respondent does is, whenever the petition comes before the High Court, they make some lump sum payment and obtain an order, my lord.
It is in her contentions. When comes for the petitioner mother submits that there was an order by the family court to pay an amount of rupees 10,000 to the child, and also an undertaking by the father that he will pay the amount of 10,000, which he has failed to pay. And so far, the arrears are,
Well, there is 3 lakhs of arrears, my lord,
according
around.
to the mother, there are 3 lakhs and odd arrears. Next, in the discussion part.
May I make a submission with regard to that. An interim order was passed in MC case. My lord, that order was operating till disposal of that MC case.
But what about your undertaking?
My lord, that undertaking was during pendency of that MC case. My lord, that undertaking was
You
given.
have no obligation to take care of.
My lord, we will pay the amount. My lord. We will pay the
Those
amount.
kind
My
of-
lord,
those
let
kind of
them.
technical,
My lord, my submission is let them file necessary application before the family court. Let family court
How
decide.
many
on.
orders should be passed?
But there was only one order.
Amount of
There was
10,000
only
you were
one
ready-
order, my lord, directing me to pay a sum of rupees
What I'm saying,
10,000,
Mr.
which I
Counsel.
have paid, my lord, which I have
Then
paid.
we will also see sometime this order. This order also we will see after some time.
My lord,
Let
there-
it go on for the next
my
5
lord,
years.
as on today, my lord, as on today, my
That's
lord,
not the submission.
we will pay the school fees of the child directly to the school.
not required, my lord.
Directly to the school, not to the mother.
Di-
Pay to the
My
school.
lord, my
Oh, no,
name
my
is
lord.
removed in the school
school,
records.
pay
My
to
lord,
the
the
school.
father's name is removed in the school records as per the instructions given by the mother. Lord, if a direction is given by this honorable court to the father to meet the child, to make the payment in the school directly, my lord, he will make the payment.
Already
He will
all
make the payment.
this academic year is also paid,
Pay
my
the-
lord.
he will pay the school
Direction
fees.
is rupees 10,000 per month maintenance, my lord. Why is he telling? Last time also when it had come before the other court,
The land counsel for the petitioner has drawn the attention of the, you record the 3 lakhs, 3 lakh, the is and order. Next, in the operative portion, but before the operative portion. When
Around 4
when
lakhs,
the-
I think,
When the
my lord, I'm not sure.
GNWC is filed by the father seeking custody and also seeking visitation. Court has granted visitation. The father, apart from fighting for his rights, has also the duty to take care of the child. when there is an order, when there is an undertaking before the court that he would pay 10,000, if he is not paying the amount as per the order of the court, and at the same time he wants orders from the court, this kind of an approach from the litigant, the court cannot appreciate. The mother is at liberty to file an application under 151 CPC, and the court shall consider the same and pass appropriate orders.
But my undertaking may kindly also be noted.
Court undertaking.
But that, my lord, the father will
And the
directly
court,
pay. my
when
lord,
this application comes to,
Please.
because you should have asked before the court long time, not when she's acting before this court. When you
But when
you have-
interim order was passed by this honorable court, my lord, we had paid a sum of rupees 3,05,000 before this
I
honorable.
didn't, that is a contention I've recorded. Now they will file an application.
Please,
You,
please.
whatever you say, but the court will stay the proceedings.
Please,
And whatever interim order is there, that will be vacated.
Please.
Channel number 42.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship,